Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can check contact form submissions or entries into your WordPress website. So here you can see this is a form that is created with contact form 7 plugin. So let me try to fill this form, and let me add email. Then let me add subject. Then scroll down. So if I click on submit button, then form will be sent, but I will not be able to see entries in my WordPress website. So let me go in dashboard, and here you can see this one is contact form 7 plugin, but there is no option to see the entries, and I have tried different plugins, but they are not able to show the submissions that are submitted with the form. So now I have found a plugin that's name is Flamingo. You need to install this plugin free of cost. Here you can see active installations and ratings. So now plugin is installed. On the left side you can go and click here inbound messages, and this one is the last message that I have just done for the demo. So now let me go back and click on submit button. So now here you can see we got message, thank you for your message, it has been sent. So now let me go back and reload this page. Now here you can see this one is the message that we have recently sent with contact form 7 plugin. So this is a powerful plugin that can display your contact form submissions or entries in your WordPress website dashboard.